Hi, I'll be going over the umpire process for palindrome string. So for the understand step, so we're given a string, and that's our input. So our input is a string. We can call that A in this case. And then our output. So our output, we want to return 0 or 1, 0 for false or 1 for true, depending on if our string is a palindrome or not. So for some example cases, so for given auto, then we want to return our output should be 1, right? Because auto is a palindrome. If we're given something like ABC, then our output should be 0 because it's not a palindrome. And then there's some examples here. So if we're given a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, then a man, a plan. I think that is true. I think it's a palindrome. So let me see. So I think our output should be 1. Oh yeah. So it says right there. So output 1. This would be a palindrome, and then we're ignoring spaces, case, and all special characters. So that's why this one works too. So for match, I believe I have seen this problem before. So I do have a prior solution I'm thinking about, and also just dealing with like cleaning strings, special characters, and like making comparisons between our clean, I guess it'd be more like reversing a string, cleaning string, special characters, reversing a string. So in terms of planning, so I would just like create a function that cleans our string, that cleans the string, and then so use that function to clean the string, and then reverse, store a reversed clean string in a new variable, and then check if that reversed string and the clean string are the same. If they are, return 1, otherwise return 0. Okay, so let's see. So for implement, so we create a function that cleans a string. So define clean string, then we'll use A. So our clean string, call it clean string equals A.lower. And then I have some familiarity with the problem, so I would replace a white space. I would use replace to replace the white space and special characters. So we replace white space, then replace special characters, period. So that's like commas, periods. It's like semicolons. And I think we have one part where we need to replace the apostrophe or quotation mark as well. So okay, so that cleans our string, and then we can just return that. So we return clean string. Okay, and then we use this function to clean our string. So we can have a equal clean string a, and then we reverse our string. So reverse string equals a, and then reverse it using this method, right? And then we just check if our reverse string is equal to a. If it is, we return 1. Otherwise, we return 0. So let's run it. Let's see. Name clean string is not defined. I messed up, just typed it wrong. So clean. So that way we call the function. Okay, so we got all the run test cases, and then I'll submit it. Yeah, it looks like we were able to get it. And then for evaluate, I believe the time is O of n, because we use all these functions, and then I think all of these have to iterate over our string, and so it really depends on the length of our string, of our input. And then for space, I believe that it's also O of n, because I store the clean string in a, and I use a reverse string variable. And I know this uses like a loop, so that also depends on the input. And then both of these variables are affected by the input size of our string. So thank you. That's my Umpire process for Palindrome string.